So peeps, many persons have been messaging me and whether email, WhatsApp, IG, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, teach how come you not talk about the Burger King worker that was found in a barrel in St. Thomas, or the Camperdown girl, or the whole heap of other people that miss, or the girl one picture of me saw them disjoint a female. Peeps, I'm tired. I tell you that them story drain my energy. The Shanika great thing, like that one there really drain my energy. Then Tasha Garden, that one again, and it's just like a one a day, like it's rough. So I got use a video and try to cover all of them things. The Burger King worker who they supposedly found in a barrel in St. Thomas. There is a story about a young lady from Camperdown. There is a story again about the dismembered body. There is a couple other young ladies who are missing. So I'm going to try to come in everything. But believe me, peeps, but there I'm coming from because I went to the Spanish Town prison over to watch a football game between Portmore United and Fraser's Content, just to clear my head and find some energy. But I just not too long coming, I just not find the energy. But I'm going to put in the work, peeps, and I see how much I can adjust about each situation. Soon come. It says woman's body found inside barrel in St. Thomas. It is believed to be Burger King employee Nellie Brown, who has been missing since Thursday, I think. It says a body of a woman was found this Sunday afternoon at around 12:30 p.m. in a blue barrel in the Ramble district in Yalas. Police arrived on the scene at around 1 p.m. The body was found in bushes with the legs sticking out. The Corporate Communications Unit CCU said that the body was in a decomposed state and that no form of identification was found. So it is still not 100% confirmed that it is the same lady who was missing, but many persons have drawn that conclusion still. It says Nellie Brown, an employee at a fast food joint, Burger King, has been missing since Friday according to her supervisor in Crossroads, Nikisha Anderson. Brown was last heard from via WhatsApp when she was at home on Friday at around 1 p.m. Anderson stated that she had heard about the body of a woman being found in a blue barrel in St. Thomas earlier today. She said that Brown kept a blue barrel in her bedroom that had also gone missing. A voice note from the Burger King worker, I'll let you hear that in a couple of seconds, about the disappearance states that police entered into Brown's residence by kicking in the door and discovered that the blue barrel was missing and all of its contents were thrown out on the floor. Also missing was Brown's bed sheets and pillows. What wanna gather from that, she said. And the Burger King worker noted that Brown did not report to work and that attempts to call her phone went straight to voicemail.
Anyway, she worked at Burger King Crossroads. She has been missing since Thursday. Our friends then reported to the police, but they said they couldn't know until yesterday, Friday, 24 hours. And she didn't report to work or anything. Ring her phone, it goes straight to voicemail. Anyway, the landlord, police go to the house today, yesterday, kick off the door over there and do it, go inside there. She have a barrel in her room. The contents of the barrel were all thrown out. The sheet off her bed missing. Her pillars them missing and the barrel missing and everything out of the barrel upon the floor. What to gather from that? No, she always tell her friends in my work, say, you know, trust the landlady boyfriend because him always a peep on her. No, the landlady boyfriend happens to be a taxi driver too. Oh Lord Jesus. So, I don't know. It just heartrending. It's like too much, honestly. Just share the picture and we could see if we can find her, because God knows it's really hard to see one next one just drop out. So, and this is like home. It's like home. This is Burger King. Anyway, she work at Burger King.
Peeps, I'm not entirely sure that the police have confirmed that the body discovered is the body of the missing lady based on the article. However, persons are theorizing based on evidence on the scene that it could have been her. I mean, if she was missing on Friday, I'm assuming it would be last Friday. Not sure her body would be as badly decomposed already. Today is Sunday, so I'm not sure. But I'll provide information as soon as it comes in though. Now guys, this one is a story related to a voice note and picture that I received earlier in the day. I did not use it because I had no information as it relates to the situation. I've been trying to get some more information, so I don't know. However, the picture was sent to me of a young lady in a Camperdown uniform. And when I followed the link, it brought me to another website that showed me another picture that has been circulating today with this young lady who was found that apparently she had multiple stab wounds. She was partially naked, only in her underwear. You know, I'm not going to use that picture. And I think it was her sister who was addressing the situation. So I'm going to let you listen to the voice note and we'll probably talk about it a little bit.
Good morning, everybody. This is Christina, Brittany, big sister. What me I talk about? You see them taxi man here out of the town, out of the street with my friend name. You see them people that them dog, they see some of my friend them must set it up, God, that was the Brittany. They set up Brittany, our friend set her up, tell her which taxi we take come over her yard. And them she take the taxi. And that happened to her. Nobody can tell me there's not no friend set her up. Our friend and our friend them set her up and make them take her with them. Them say them find her body. Them say them to find her body. And her hand them stretch out and she naked. Stop up. They see all of them even tell me that I'm not come from school and not straight and them foolish there. And just please me, I'm going to stop, because the same thing with Amazon and nobody not going to get no chase out till after the dead and them finding the body. Can't see that. My sister, she not even show people, she not even talk. And look what happened to her. I can't believe. I just send this to everybody in our contact. Be aware of some of them people here. Be aware of some of them money. And it's not one taxi I do it. It's more than one taxi. And you see which my mother's there town where the taxi them like right here. So the man them ever they can ride it, so them take her away. And they be aware and the taxi them run off Winard Road. Some of them go like a real taxi with some old brought down taxi and them man there do it. God, just do something to them people here, guys, please. I can't believe my sister. Oh God. Send this to everybody now in contact and be aware of people to communicate with. Be aware of the things that with the bus them want to take. Be aware of what time school over and the late time when I go up. If you now walk with more than one person. And don't try to be by yourself at any given time, nowhere. Please. So just secure that, ensure that no more lives take. Just send this to everybody, please, maybe.
Peeps, the only thing that I know is what was said in the voice note. The young lady name is apparently Brittany. I said I've seen another picture. Very gruesome. I think quite a few stab wounds in her chest area. She has no clothes. Her bra was removed. She has on her underwear, and apparently they had removed her jeans pants. the young lady who spoke on the voice note gave a few very solid advice to young ladies, and I mean at the front she said that it is the young lady's friends who set her up. I don't know how she came about that. I don't know how she's able to determine that. I suppose when we are in grief we say things, but who knows what happened. As I said, I don't know, but it is kind of premature to have arrived at that conclusion. You understand me? I say the man them just wicked. You understand me? I say a wicked the man them wicked. Zane, wicked the man them wicked. Ah boy. Sad though. So as I said, the information is a bit sketchy this one, but if what the voice note says and the pictures are suggesting is correct, condolences to the family. I don't even know how young she is. I don't know which grade she in. I don't know nothing, peeps. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm just working off the picture and the voice note. See, I really don't want to use it because I'm not sure. I'm not like be not sure. I upload stuff. Yeah, that's what I mean. I say, but I just do this one in a faith. I mean, say condolences to her family, her friends, her schoolmates, her school community, and when it will end? When will it end? Here it says another teen missing. Family members and police have launched a desperate search to locate a 14-year-old female identified as SHEREE Clark of Christiana, Manchester, who has been missing since Thursday, February 2. She's of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 152 centimeters or 5 feet tall. Reports from the Christiana police are that about 7:30 a.m. SHEREE was last seen at home dressed in blue tunic and beige blouse and a pair of black shoes. All efforts to contact her have been futile, and it says anyone knowing the whereabouts of SHEREE Clark is being asked to contact the Christiana police at 964-2250, or police emergency number 119, or the nearest police station. Why may I tell you?
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, persons ask me what is going on. The simple answer to that, I have absolutely no idea. What is wrong with the men in the country? The simple answer to that, they are cruel, they are sick, they are deserving of so many things that we can't even really say right here, so right now. You understand what I say? Many persons are crying out for the reinstitution of the death penalty. I mean, that will help, but that will not solve the entire problem. You understand? I'm going to address the death penalty in a video that is coming soon. You understand? Some people are saying for Adams, one man can't do this. You understand me? I say this needs the entire effort, concerted, consistent, intense effort of the entire nation. All well-thinking, law-abiding citizens of Jamaica. Every single parent, every single family member, every single citizen. You understand? And one of the things, somebody sent me something last night that says one of the new trends is that you will be driving on the road and you see a baby seat covered up on the road. So as somebody who will be caring and concerned, you see the baby seat, the first inclination that you have is to stop and to check if it's an abandoned baby. Do not stop. It is a ploy. It is normally close to the roadside beside bushy or grassy areas. So you stop, come out, especially women. Women them a target mostly, you know. You stop, you come out of your car, check in, them abduct you, beat you up, rape you, kill you. If it's a male who stop, them rob them, beat them up most time, then kill them same way. So if you see any baby seat on the road, continue where you're going, call the police, the police them go check it out there. So that is another way what them deal with the thing. See, many times these things happen, and whatever we want to face it, yes I know. Persons who are posing as taxi drivers are responsible for many of these things. You understand me? I say I had done a video about the whole taxi system and ladies in the past. I think I will refresh and do another video based on what is going on now. that will be coming soon as well, peeps. But I know what I'm telling you. Right now, them things just drain my energy. I tell you, it's difficult to keep on coming on the channel, come say almost the same thing over and over. It's like a deja vu each time. I've seen this movie before, I've watched this before, I've read this before, I've heard this before. Repeatedly. So I don't know when it's going to end, I don't know what need to be put in place for it to end, but something has to be done now. You understand me as a peeps? It just I get out of hand. Seeing and until 1 a day no more, 2 and 3 a day. Seeing and we're seeing where sometimes some of these young ladies are placing themselves in harm's way, are placing themselves in danger, are leaving their parents' house, going to people's house, are leaving their parents' house without permission or without the knowledge of their parents. Yes, sometimes the parents are not being vigilant enough, but sometimes them youths are a part of the problem too, man, and them will help give them life. Case in point, this young lady, I think she attends into that school, would have left her house for days and her parents can't find her mother find her and deal with her like this.
This one named Amanyawa. That one is Slapper. That one named Amanyawa. Jesus, please. Oh God, that is what you get when you want man. You have to want gentleman, not man. Officer, thank you for saving the day. Yes. That is what Spanish Town is like. Have a good evening.
Hearts of many Jamaican men has become rocks. There is no love anymore for women. There is no appreciation for the gift of a woman, for the love of a woman, and for the value and importance of a woman. You understand me? I say, and I ask a question, many people ask a question, these men who are kidnapping these ladies, who are murdering these ladies, them not think about them mother, them sister, them auntie, them niece, them daughter, them woman. Eh? Would not have them something there. How would it be for you if somebody was to do what you do to people, picnic to phone a daughter, or a mother, or a sister, or a auntie, or a woman? Eh? We not consider that no more. When did Jamaican men who most of we love women? What go on? Whatever happen? What happen? Why me no know? I don't know, peeps. I tell you, me I try to figure it out, me I try to work it out, but nothing not come to me. Nothing not come to me, peeps. You understand me? I say nothing really and truly not come to me. So the situation is really sad. It is really disheartening. It is really depressing. You understand me? I say it is untenable. It is unacceptable. It is despicable. We can't go on for days with this, man. It have to stop. It need to stop. And the people who know what go on, when you talk up no man, the next girl can be your daughter, or your mother, or your sister, or your auntie, or you. I could talk up no man. You understand what I say? You see them man they still. Time take care of everything still. No run ahead. Time. Peeps. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.